G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's the NIKKEI update, the Japanese market. Now I haven't done an update for a while, but there is a key resistance that's currently been hit, and there's also a major divergence to look out for a potential reversal. It doesn't mean a crash, but it could just mean a bit of a retrace to the downside, similar to other world markets. So let's get stuck into it. So Japan stocks give boost to Bank of Japan's case for monetary tightening. So the Japan Central Bank, the BOJ, is expected to end its negative interest rate policy soon, despite a slowing economy due to rising stock prices and the need to combat a weak yen. The Bank of Japan aims for a gradual shift and assures it won't harm the economy, but rapid hikes could stabilise the market. While a weaker yen benefits exporters and boosts stocks, it also fuels inflation, creating a delicate balancing act for the Bank of Japan. Market players are closely watching wage negotiations and inflation data to gauge the pace of future rate hikes. So again, what I've got here is the weekly, the daily and the hourly charts. And on the weekly, you can see that it's a pretty strong bullish momentum on the ADX 25. Likewise on the daily chart. And you notice on the hourly chart, we've got a fresh breakout to the short side. So just be careful about going long at the moment. We've also hit this key resistance up here at 39,640. Now back to the weekly for a moment, we've got a bullish, sorry, that was not really valid, and let me just remove that. There was previously a bearish divergence, and that's now no longer the case, so I'm going to remove that. So at the moment you can see the CCI 150 is still trending in line with the price. There was a bearish divergence back here, and that did play out. You can see there with a retrace to the downside. On the daily, we do have a bearish divergence versus higher highs on the price, and that could possibly be the start of a decline in the price as well. So again, we'll keep a very close eye on that. But on the hourly as well, let me just zoom into this one. Again, we had a bearish divergence here. The price started falling off there. It wasn't a complete drop, and if I draw a Fibonacci between the recent lows before that divergence started up to that, if we're measuring that, you can see there it possibly just kissed those wicks, just kissed that 23%, and we always choose the 23 to the 38% level as our minimum target range, and sometimes it goes much further, but that's a minimum target range. You can see there those wicks just kissed that, so that's a successful divergence hit. Then from there it actually bounced pretty strongly and hit this resistance up here at 39,640, as I said. Now there's also a very small, let me just remove that to clean it up a bit. If I zoom in again as well, you can see there the price has actually started dropping off on that between those highs. That's a very slight bearish divergence versus the equivalent level up there. You can see there, so that's a bearish divergence as well, and that's starting also to fall off. So if I was to draw a Fibonacci on that range, you go back to this, probably to that low there, up to that high, and again you can see there the retracement's also been hit as well in that little 23-38% retracement level. Again, sometimes they just have a little retracement before making further upside. So the key thing to look out for at this point, if I was to zoom out again on all time frames, is will it bounce down from this daily divergence, and or this, we need to see some move to the downside on the hourly first. If it breaks below the 61% of the hourly, then we're possibly going to see further declines. At the moment, the CCI is showing no sign of reversal, and the ADX is showing a bearish movement as well. The other thing to note as well is these indicators. If I zoom out, you can see there's a lot of red and blue arrows indicating near tops and bottoms. Some of these have gone against the trend, you can see there. And that was a video I put out some time ago, and it's links in the description below, but basically it helps identify tops and bottoms in terms of potential reversals. So just be aware of that and look into that for further if you're interested. So again, if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.